Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to Rosalind for sending me this 24 pack of gel polishes. I'm so grateful for this because I definitely and absolutely love me some gel polishes. So I'm really excited to check out all their polishes and see what they're all about and the quality and how they work when applying them. So here I'm just going to show you briefly the colors along with their numbers. So to start off, to apply the nails that I will be using today, I will be using the Beetles Full Cover Nail Tips. I enjoy adhering my nails because I prefer this to be the greatest way to place nails. It's what I prefer. So pretty much all I do is I grab some base coat, I apply some on my nail plate along with the inside of the full cover nail tip, and then I just cure it into the UV lamp for 30 seconds. I don't really do the full 60, and that is just what I'm doing for all the nails. Now I will just be removing all the shine from the nails since I will be adhering some base coat on top of them right after. So this is what I am doing here. I'm just grabbing a buffer that I had laying around and I'll just be removing the shine from all the nails. So now I will be applying the base coat once again, but this time on top of the full cover nail tips after I've removed all the shine from them, and then I'll just be going in the UV lamp and curing them for 60 seconds. And by the way guys, I just wanted to remind you that I am not a nail tech, I'm not a professional, I do not have a license. I literally just started doing nails for fun as a hobby 6 months ago, so I am not perfect. All I'm trying to do here is create content for people who are interested in nail art or just trying to learn or just want affordable nails at home. This is practically the purpose of my channel. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. So these are the polishes that I'm going to be using to create this beautiful matte marble look. So I am just showing you here. So all you're going to need is the polishes of choice and then also some sort of brush. I'm using this long brush today. So here first I'm going to go in with the white and apply it on. Don't worry about how the nail polish comes out if it comes out messy, because you could always grab a brush and some acetone and clean it up, and I will show you how I do that here as well. So I'm starting off by laying the white nail polish as a foundation to the marble look, and after I'm done applying the white polish on, I will not be curing it. I'll be going in straight with the other color using the long brush and just swirling it around randomly to create that beautiful marble effect, and you guys will see here what I am talking about. So now I just grabbed another random brush and applied some acetone on it, and you see here I am just cleaning around it as if the mess never happened. So now I'm gonna go in with the marble look. I'm just dipping my brush into the polish directly, and then I'm just gonna start swirling it around. Remember, do not cure the white gel polish, just allow it to be wet along with this one that you're applying on top with the color of your choice, so they're both going to be uncured. Once you have your desired look, then you go into the UV lamp and cure it all together. And so far, I really like these polishes. They're pigmented, they're easy to work with. Even though I applied a very thick layer on the marble nails, I was afraid that they were gonna either wrinkle or not dry fully, but no, they ended up drying regardless. So that's definitely a plus. I really like these polishes. I think they're good. I think they're great quality. They're easy to work with. And like I said, the nails are really thick because I wanted to, you know, achieve a nice marble look. So I did have to add a bit of product, and yet it's still cured perfectly. I didn't have any wrinkles, I didn't have nothing, so that is definitely a plus. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. I really liked how these nails turned out. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about these nails. So after, I just went in the UV lamp and cured them for 60 seconds. So now I'm moving on to the next nail and repeating the same exact process, just using a pink color. So after I am done designing this marble nail to my desired liking, I just went in and cured it for 60 seconds, and this is what they came out like. So now I'm going in with this glittery gel polish, and I'm just applying these as some accent nails, I guess you could say, on my ring finger and my middle finger. So that is what I'm doing here. I decided to just use one coat on each because I liked the sheer effect on it. I didn't want it to be full coverage, so I definitely decided to go for that, but you could always choose whatever you desire. That's just what I wanted to go for. And then I'll just be curing them under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So now we're moving on to the last nail, and I decided to do another marble effect on this one. So here I'm applying the white once again, and then I'm going to go in with the same glittery gel polish that I just used, and I'm gonna do a marble with that. I thought that was really cute, and it would go really well all together. It would tie the nail look really well with this finishing touch on the pinky finger. So that is what I am doing here, and then I'll just be going in and curing it once again for 60 seconds. And I decided only to do two nails, a matte marble, which was the thumb and the index finger, so you won't see that because I did do that off camera. I originally had another design, but I ended up not liking it, so I had to go back and redo it. So yeah, you're gonna see me just apply a shiny top coat on the pinky finger, the ring finger, and the middle finger. So here I'm just going in and applying the shiny top coat to the rest of the nails, except for the thumb and index. Those were matte. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And now we are moving on to the last and final step, which is the cuticle oil. I hope you guys enjoyed once again. Thank you all so much for watching.